In the previous episode, we learned basic knowledge about Ethereum mining. In this video, we're going to take a look at other important aspects of Ethereum mining. 1. Different types of Ethereum mining. Ethereum mining on smartphones. You can start mining ETH on your own smartphone. This is an extremely easy form of mining. You just need a phone connected to Wi-Fi to be able to earn coins. One of the most interesting parts of this method is that the majority of the programs are time-based games, so you can say that you are both entertained and earning money. However, because it is so simple and enjoyable, the financial investment is minimal. Mining with Ethereum mining machine. This is the most common method of mining Ethereum, known by many people through articles on the internet. Miners can be considered a job that pays well but requires a huge amount of cash and will be impacted in some way by the government. Mining coins using Cloud Ethereum mining services. Many of you will instantly think of cloud storage services when you hear the term cloud mining. Cloud mining is an activity in which you may engage in distant cryptocurrency mining without the need for equipment or devices. There are two parties participating in the process. Cloud Ethereum mining service provider. They will provide remote mining or selling hash rate to buyers. Several parties are providing this service. Minergate, Hashing24, Hashflare, Genesis Mining. Service users. They are investors. These users spend money to remotely rent/purchase these miners/hash rate, and they will receive the corresponding ETH according to the contract. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 2. Ethereum mining programs. Some software that allows you to effectively mine ETH are CG Miner, Multiminer, Miner, Bitminer, Miner Server, Easy Miner, Awesome Miner, and so on. In addition, I really recommend you consider trying the following software. Memory Chip Tester Software. This assists you in determining which company's memory chip the VGA card is using, so you know how much to overclock properly. GPU Z is an example. It enables RAM and VGA card overclocking. This allows optimizing the hardware for more efficient mining. MSI Afterburner is another example with relatively the same function you can refer to. Ethermine is especially used to check how many ETH you have mined. Team Viewer is optional. This software will help you monitor and manage the machine remotely. If there are any problems, you can handle them. 3. Does Ethereum mining damage GPU? Sounds like a lot of work for your device, right? But don't worry. In some cases, steady GPU mining can be safer than gaming. When mining with a GPU, the load is evenly distributed over time, therefore, there are no thermal spikes and sudden drops that could damage the GPU. But this depends on the way you set up and optimize your GPU, so make sure to use the settings. 4. Useful tips for Ethereum mining. Identify sources of capital and targets. Mining has many forms, so it is necessary to determine the source of capital and goals at the beginning to avoid waste. If you take mining as your major source of income, you need to invest a lot in equipment. If not, all you need is a smartphone. Know your crypto market. To choose which coin to mine, you need to spend time researching the market. You will know the prestige and profit of each coin, thereby making a reasonable plan. Control your emotions. Because the market is always shifting, it is impossible to state what is the best approach to sell Ethereum after mining. You may sell exactly at the peak after mining, but you may also be unfortunate enough to sell at the bottom. It is necessary to control your emotions and have an appropriate profit-taking strategy. Be aware of scammers. There will always be risks in a potential market. The most common is that investors or traders might get malicious code when they click on strange links. As a result, you must be cautious about security and avoid clicking on odd URLs. That is the end of our video. Hope you now understand more about Ethereum mining. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master for more useful videos.